We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 sleep headphones, a product that has quickly become a favorite for those seeking comfort, convenience, and versatility in their audio experience. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable to the community. The MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 sleep headphones are designed as a two-in-one solution, combining the benefits of a comfortable sports headband with the functionality of wireless headphones. This unique design aims to address the needs of individuals who want to enjoy music, podcasts, or audiobooks during various activities such as sleeping, running, yoga, or even while traveling. The headband is constructed from a premium blend of spandex and nylon, offering exceptional elasticity, softness, and breathability. This ensures that the headband remains lightweight and comfortable, whether you are lying in bed or engaging in physical activity. One of the standout features of the MUSICOZY headband is its integration of Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This latest version of Bluetooth provides a stable and fast connection, minimizing dropouts and ensuring seamless audio playback. The 40mm composite drivers are engineered to deliver HD stereo sound with deep bass and clear highs, creating an immersive listening experience. Whether you are using the headband to relax with soothing sounds, energize your workout with upbeat music, or catch up on your favorite podcasts, the audio quality is consistently praised by users for its clarity and richness. Battery life is another area where the MUSICOZY headband excels. With an upgraded battery, users can expect up to 14 hours of continuous playback or talk time from a single 2-hour charge. This extended battery life makes the headband suitable for overnight use or for long workouts without the need for frequent recharging. The included USB Type-C charging cable ensures compatibility with modern charging setups and helps maintain convenience for users who are always on the go. In terms of usability, the MUSICOZY headband is designed with practicality in mind. The headband is easy to pair with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The controls are conveniently located on the forehead area, making them easy to locate and operate even in the dark. Users report that the buttons are responsive and simple to use, allowing for quick adjustments to volume, playback, and call management without fumbling or removing the headband. Comfort is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many reviewers highlight the softness and flexibility of the fabric, noting that it does not cause discomfort even when worn for extended periods. The headband is particularly well suited for side sleepers, as the flat speaker design eliminates the pressure points commonly associated with traditional earbuds or over-ear headphones. The speakers rest gently over the ears without entering the ear canal, making the design ideal for those who find conventional headphones uncomfortable or impractical for sleep. The headband's versatility extends beyond sleep. It is also popular among runners, cyclists, and yoga enthusiasts who appreciate the secure fit and sweat-resistant properties of the fabric. The lightweight construction ensures that the headband stays in place during movement, while the breathable material helps regulate temperature and prevent overheating. The ability to use the headband as both a sleep aid and a workout accessory adds significant value for users seeking a multi-purpose device. Despite its many strengths, the MUSICOZY headband is not without its drawbacks. One of the most frequently mentioned issues is durability. Several users report that the headband is not built to last, with some experiencing audio failure in one or both speakers after several months of use. This has led to repeated purchases for some customers, as the affordable price point makes replacement a viable option. However, the lack of a reliable warranty and difficulty in obtaining customer support have been sources of frustration for those seeking resolution for defective units. The 1-year warranty is often described as difficult to claim, with limited response from the manufacturer or seller when contacted for support. Another area of concern is the fit of the headband. While many users find it comfortable, there are reports that the headband is not truly one-size-fits-all. Some individuals with smaller heads find that the headband is too loose, causing it to slip or shift during the night. This can be particularly problematic for those who move frequently in their sleep. Some users have resorted to modifying the headband with minor sewing adjustments to achieve a better fit. While this workaround is effective for some, it may not be ideal for everyone. Sound quality, while generally praised for casual listening and sleep purposes, may not satisfy audiophiles seeking high-fidelity audio. The speakers are optimized for clarity and comfort rather than premium sound reproduction. For most users, the audio quality is more than sufficient for listening to white noise, nature sounds, or spoken word content. However, those with discerning ears may notice limitations in dynamic range and detail when listening to complex musical compositions. Battery management is another aspect to consider. Overcharging the headband, especially with fast chargers, can lead to battery degradation and connectivity issues. Some users have experienced problems with the headband disconnecting from devices or failing to hold a charge after prolonged charging sessions. It is recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for charging to avoid potential damage to the battery. Notifications and alerts from the Bluetooth system can also be disruptive. Some users have reported being awakened by loud voice prompts indicating low battery or connection status. These notifications are not adjustable in volume and can interrupt sleep if the headband is not fully charged. While this issue does not affect all users, it is worth noting for those who are sensitive to sudden sounds during the night. Cleaning and maintenance of the headband are straightforward. The fabric is easy to remove and wash, ensuring that the headband remains hygienic even with regular use. This is particularly important for those who use the headband during workouts or in warm environments where sweat accumulation can occur. The durability of the fabric itself is generally well regarded, with most wear and tear occurring in the electronic components rather than the headband material. The MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 sleep headphones are positioned as an affordable and practical solution for a variety of use cases. With a price range typically between $15 and $20, the headband offers significant value for those seeking a comfortable and convenient way to enjoy audio content without the drawbacks of traditional headphones. The product is also marketed as an ideal gift for men, women, and teens, making it a popular choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Customer reviews consistently highlight the transformative impact of the headband for individuals struggling with sleep disturbances, such as snoring partners or noisy environments. The ability to listen to calming sounds or music without discomfort has improved sleep quality for many users. The headband is also praised for its effectiveness during travel, helping to block out ambient noise on planes or in hotels. For those who prioritize comfort, convenience, and versatility over premium audio quality and long-term durability, the MUSICOZY headband is a compelling option. Its lightweight design, extended battery life, and ease of use make it suitable for a wide range of activities. However, prospective buyers should be aware of the potential for electronic failure over time and the challenges associated with warranty claims. In summary, the MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 sleep headphones offer a unique and practical solution for those seeking a comfortable way to enjoy audio content during sleep, exercise, or relaxation. The combination of soft, breathable fabric, stable Bluetooth connectivity, and user-friendly controls makes the headband a standout in its category. While durability and warranty support may be areas for improvement, the overall value and positive impact on users' daily lives are clear. If you are looking for an affordable, multi-purpose audio accessory that prioritizes comfort and convenience, the MUSICOZY headband is worth considering. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please share your review in the comments to help others make informed choices. The link to the product is in the description. It helps support the channel and brings more in-depth reviews to the community.